Hey, what's up everyone, it's Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we'll be looking at a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GT AMG. This one is a Jupiter Red with a black MB-Tex Dynamica interior. Under the hood is a V8 twin-turbo pushing out 469 horsepower and 465 pounds of torque paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission, 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. For wheels we have a 10-spoke AMG 19-inch in the front and 20-inch in the rear staggered setup. Mercedes-Benz offers a 4-year, 50,000-mile warranty. This GT is equipped with lane tracking package, which gives you a lane keeping assist and blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, keyless go with the hands-free access, silver chrome trim, AMG performance exhaust, AMG big brakes, AMG performance multifunction steering wheel wrapped in a Nappa leather with 5 different driving styles including slippery, individual, comfort, sports, and sports plus, smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated seats, navigation with backup camera, and more. To schedule an appointment to see this GT, call 952-837-6300 or visit feldmanimports.com to view more photos.